My grandmother taught me this dish, a delicious potato recipe for dinner. First, let's take 700 grams of potatoes and cut them into large cubes, just like I'm doing here. Once cut, we'll place the potatoes in a pot and cover them with water. Add a teaspoon of salt and let it cook until soft. Meanwhile, we add a bit of olive oil to a skillet. Here, I'll dice an onion into small cubes, and let me know if you like potato recipes. Stay until the end of the video. The result of this recipe will make your mouth water. Now, with the oil hot, let's add the onion to the skillet and let it sauté until it starts to brown. The aroma is already becoming delicious. At this point, I'm going to cut a bit of bacon into small pieces. This part with the bacon makes the recipe irresistible. Next, we can transfer the bacon to the skillet along with the onion and let it fry. We stir occasionally to ensure all ingredients are well browned and cook evenly. I add a bit of salt to the bacon as it fries to enhance the flavor even more. After that, we'll remove from the heat and set it aside. In another skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we can add the cooked potatoes to the skillet, allowing them to turn lightly golden and even more appetizing. Let them fry a bit and add the bacon and onion we fried earlier. Now, I'm going to chop a little fresh parsley finely. This touch gives a wonderful freshness to the dish. Then we'll add the parsley to the skillet along with the other ingredients. To finish, I'll add 3 cloves of garlic and a bit of black pepper to taste. Then we'll mix everything well and let the garlic release its full aroma. Our seasoned potatoes with bacon are ready to be served. I'm sure this recipe will be a true explosion of flavors in your mouth. If you liked this recipe and found the tips helpful, be sure to share this video with your friends and family. And also share your favorite recipe in the comments. We'd love to know what tips and secrets you use to make your recipes even more special. Thank you for watching until the end. See you next time.